and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is an unboxing and it is just a quick little video. It is an item from Burberry. You can't really see that here because I didn't buy it from Burberry. I actually bought this during the Black Friday sales and I've managed not to open it because I wanted to open it on camera. And it has been hard not to open. So I've been wanting to buy this item for I think the past 2 or 3 years, and I know it goes on sale on Black Friday, so I have been waiting, and every time it sells out so quickly, so I've never been able to get a hold of it. And this year it was just sitting there available for me to pick, so that's what I did. Such a big box for not a very large item. Okay. I always pick the smallest scissors whenever I do an unboxing. I have no idea why. Why do I do that? And oh my gosh, this box is so pretty. So maybe you already know what this is. The size. It's a very classic item. It's my first piece. Typical starter piece from the brand. All right, let's open it. More paper and all right, so here we have it. It is the classic Burberry scarf. Oh, this feels so soft. It is the giant check cashmere scarf. Try saying that fast 3 times. And the color is the Archive Beige. Oh, it is so pretty and so soft. It feels really like substantial, and this is 100% cashmere. I have a Gucci scarf as well. Those are now my only 2 designer scarves, and this feels definitely a little bit thicker, whereas the Gucci scarf is a little bit easy to poke a hole in because I have fake nails, and this definitely doesn't feel like that. It feels a little bit more substantial. Let's try it on. Alright, so this is basically just the classic scarf, and I love these colors. I love beige, and obviously it just is such a classic iconic piece, and I have been wanting this for such a long time. I love accessorizing with scarves. I live in Norway. It is cold most of the year, so I wear scarves, I want to say 8 months out of the year, so for me it just makes it kind of a logical purchase to have a designer scarf. Alright, so here we have it. The dimensions are 168 centimeters by 30 centimeters. So as you can see, it is fairly narrow. It's not too wide. It's definitely not like one of those huge pashminas you just like use as a blanket. But on the other hand, this looks so much better just slung over your shoulders like that. So as you can tell, lengthwise on me, this reaches me sort of like to my fingertips. I think that's a really good length. Some scarves are so long and they just like drag to the ground and make me look so short. So this is a very good length on me, and I was worried it was going to be too skinny, like too narrow, but it really isn't. I feel like this is such a good size. I'm obviously wearing a very simple outfit, and I just feel like this makes such a statement. It just elevates your outfit, gives a little bit of print or pattern to it, and it just, oh, I love it. I really love the way this looks. I can't wait to start wearing it. A scarf is such a fun way to accessorize, and finally I have the Burberry scarf that I have wanted for such a long time. Something like this doubled up. I think it looks really good either way, and I think it is a really good size. I was worried it was going to be a little bit too skinny and not really like cozy enough, but it definitely is cozy. Love it. I'm so happy I bought it, and I'm really happy I got it at a discount as well. I don't know if I said, but I did get it at 20% off. I will link everything like the exact scarf and the price I paid down below. It is just such a classic, and I'm so happy that I finally have it. I know that this is a scarf I am going to be loving for a long time. Anyways, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!